This is Jessica with CutesyCrafts.com. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute little unicorn floral embroidery hoop. To make this hoop, you will need a 6-inch embroidery hoop. I also like to use a slightly larger embroidery hoop so it doesn't get in my way when I'm stitching, so I have a 7-inch hoop. Some white 100% linen fabric. You can just get this at any fabric store. Embroidery floss in several different colors that are listed on the pattern. Embroidery needles. I like to use a large one when I'm using lots of thread and a smaller one for when I'm using a smaller amount of thread. You also need a way to trace your pattern, and I will go over that in the next video. You can get your free pattern at CutesyCrafts.com, and there should be a link in the bottom for that.